Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
Vertical Video Firesale with Unrestricted PLR review. Namaste friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore, and in this video we'll talk about this cool offer called Vertical Video Firesale. So this is the Vertical Video Firesale with Unrestricted PLR review. And right now we are on their beautiful color sales page where it says an amazing unrestricted PLR package you must have, an immense selection of awe-inspiring and captivating 5,000 plus high definition quality vertical video templates with unrestricted PLR in super hot niches. Save big over vertical video sites, save thousands in creating vertical videos, full HD 1080 pixel videos, 4K videos, 5,000 vertical videos perfectly crafted for social feeds and websites, unrestricted PLR included to sell them. Easily charge between 50 to 150 per video. Use them to upscale your business and boost ROI, return on investment. Okay, so you will be able to see the demo videos. You see a demo, so you will find the link of the sales page below my YouTube video somewhere here. It will be saying grab video, vertical video fire sale copy here. Click on that link. That link will take you to the sales page, and then you can click here on demo and you can watch all those videos. Okay, so this is a very cool offer for those people who are either doing social media marketing themselves, or you are a freelancer who creates these kind of vertical videos for the clients. You can charge $100 for these videos, and it's entirely up to you where and how would you use them. You are going to either use them in posting these videos on your own Instagram profile if you are some chef or some influencer, whoever you are. If you have some following on Instagram or this Facebook, you can go and use this as a reel, or you may go and run those Facebook ads which are like 10 seconds video ads. Okay, you can see this video is like 19 seconds, this one is 13 seconds. So Facebook, I think, allows you to run Facebook ads on 10 seconds videos. So you could use these things if you run some gym or some you're some travel agent, you're a food blogger, whatever you are. Okay, some restaurant. So you can use these vertical videos in your own promotional material, or if you are some freelancer or some company who manages social media for other customers and clients, and you need content to post, you need videos to post for their business on their behalf, then you can use it, or else in the end you can sell them on freelancing websites. Okay, so come on the sales page here, check out all these sample videos in your free time, and as they're showing, you can sell this as a freelancer if you are getting clients every now and then to your profile. Okay, so yeah, and it's only $13 to start with, and then we have some upsells. After that we'll talk about how can you make money with simple videos just like me. Okay, so let's get done with the OTOs here. So OTO number one is private label rights, $37. Okay, in this one we have private label rights. Then again it shows private label rights, so I'm not sure what's the difference between front end and the difference between this upsell one, which also has a downsell for $32. Okay, so when you will buy the front end, then you will be taken to the relevant OTO sales pages, and then you can choose which one you want, which one you don't. So for example, here it says product creation service, $5,000. Obviously you will not buy this, right? So go and get the front end, and if you need the unlimited version, I guess, or maybe the OTO one, then you can go and buy the OTO one as well, right? There are not many OTOs, only the front end and this OTO one, okay, which is for $32 if you click on no thanks. And obviously nobody will go and pay them $5,000 as of now, I believe. Okay, so you don't want to get this one, product creation, so try these ones. And let's talk about those people who want to make money without these videos. For example, as I said, this thing is not for newbies. Okay, you might not have any following on Instagram or Facebook, or you might not be a freelancer, or you might not be a business yourself. Then what will you do with these videos? So I don't think you have some usage of these videos. These videos are only for people who are experienced freelancers, businesses, restaurants, whatever you are. Okay, so you got to be in business, or you got to be making money already to use these videos. This is a good offer. Okay, if you want these 5,000 vertical videos, go and get them in only $13. That's a very cheap deal, right? Now let's talk about those people who want to make money, but they might not have the usage of these videos anywhere. For example, me in particular here, these videos are very cool to me. I like them, but I don't really have the use for these videos in my business as of now, okay? Because what I do is I either make YouTube videos or I either go and do this trading, okay? So if you go below my YouTube video, the second link says make money with Traffic Jarvis. This Traffic Jarvis will help you to do exactly what I am doing right now, which means that if you want to make these videos and make money on YouTube by selling something or do affiliate marketing, make these reviews, and even on YouTube, you can make money without selling anything, because for example, in this video which you're watching, you must have seen some ads, advertisements. So these ads make me money whether you buy something from me or not. Okay, and for this to happen, you need to get your YouTube channel monetized, and for that you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours for your YouTube channel. And with the help of Traffic Jarvis, you can get them in 2 weeks only, right? So if you want to do exactly what I am doing and make money on YouTube without even selling anything, then go and get Traffic Jarvis. The second link says make money on autopilot with Forex trading. So click on the first link here. Now, Forex trading is like currency trading. These currencies we have Euro USD, GBP USD, IUD USD, USD CAD, USD GPY, and many more, okay? So we or you don't have to be an expert into this, because this syndicate is going to be working on the automation. So first of all, enter your email and name and click on unlock the syndicate. Then go back to your email, verify the email. Once you verify the email, then you will be taken to the main page of the syndicate. Watch 2 videos there, option 1, option 2. And after watching those 2 videos, you will understand what this thing is all about, because this will make your money on autopilot, 60% yours, 40% mine, okay? So it will be 60-40% where you do not have to do anything. I will be setting up this virtual machine. I will be setting up the graph. I will be setting up the software. I will be giving the correct settings to the software, and then the software will be working on its own, okay? It will be buying low, selling high, buying low, selling high, stuff like that, right? So go and enter your information to know exactly what I'm talking about. And once you're confident, then you can contact me on Skype if you have any questions. And this thing is completely on autopilot. You don't have to learn any of this. This will be working. I will be managing your account, okay? And you will be keeping your 60% profits. That's all. So again, let's do a recap here. Vertical Video Firesale. It's a cool offer for those people who need these 5,000 vertical videos. Go and get them if you want to. You will find the link below my video, I guess, right now or maybe in the future. And if you are here only to make money online, then go and check out these 2 links. The first link says make money on autopilot with Forex thingy. This is for people who do not really want to work and they want to get 60% profits. Second link, Traffic Jarvis, will require you to work manually on YouTube just like me. And that's the difference. So in Traffic Jarvis, you have to work a lot manually. In option 1, Forex trading, it's completely on profit sharing basis. In the end, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. And now I will show you how to make money with Traffic Jarvis in detail. So once you click on the first link below my YouTube video, it says make money with Traffic Jarvis, and then you will be taken to this website which says finally proven methods for making real money online from home, even if you're a brand newbie. Option number 1 is email marketing. Option number 2 is YouTube Traffic Jarvis. So this Traffic Jarvis will help you to monetize your YouTube channel within 30 days as soon as possible, and it will help you to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which are required to get if you want to make money on YouTube without selling anything, okay? So before I talk about Traffic Jarvis in detail, first of all, let's talk about this email marketing method here. So you can also make money with email marketing just by sending 1 email per day, but you need a lot of numbers, okay? You need to have thousands and thousands of email addresses into your list, and then only you can go ahead and make some money with email marketing. So if you want to grow your email list without buying some paid ads, then you can try this system which you see right now on the screen. This will give you 100 email leads from US, Canada, Australia, from those countries, and you will also be allowed to send emails to these leads once per day. So by the end of the month, in 30 days, you will have 3,000 leads minimum, and you will be able to send them emails 30 times, in a month, right? So here are the proofs. You can see they have made 15,000 plus with the system. They have made 15,000 plus with the system. I have made 377 so far, and when I am recording this video, you might be watching this video in my on my YouTube channel, but these data will change because this is a recurring commission, okay? So these numbers keeps adding every month, and this number will change. I don't know when you're watching this video, so whatever numbers you will see, those will be the updated numbers, okay? And then if you want to learn how to use the system, then go and click on this play button, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this watch free video, then go back to your email, verify your email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to this video. Watch the video and take action, because if you take action, I'll send you some bonus email stripes. Okay, now let's talk about YouTube traffic service, because on YouTube, again, you can make money for the rest of your life without selling anything. Click on the play button here, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this red button, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the traffic service video. Watch the video, take action, because you can see the proofs here. This is the money I have made just by uploading videos without selling anything, because my YouTube channel is monetized, and you must have seen some ads in my YouTube videos. So the more people see these ads in my YouTube videos, the more money this video is going to make for me. Okay, the same can be done for you too. You can go and get your YouTube channel monetized with the help of traffic service within maximum 30 days, and after that your job is simply to upload videos every day on your channel and make this kind of money. Okay, and you can see here, this is the money I have made by doing some reviews on my YouTube channel. My primary source of income is YouTube ad revenue. Just upload videos, make money, no selling required. Okay, and again, these numbers will change, these numbers will grow, because again, I'm telling you, this is a recurring commission system. So right now, if it shows 560, in the future it might be well above 600 or 700. So the data will be changing when you're watching the video in the future. Okay, all right, great. So we have these two methods, email marketing and YouTube. Now, if you can master these two methods, you will never need to learn any third way to make money online. So go and check this out. And then we have this link says get kiss tracking, keep it simple, stupid. Kiss tracking is all about doing what I'm doing right now. So in case if you are interested in learning how to do these reviews on your YouTube channel, if you want to know how to find these products, how to get your affiliate links approved, and how to upload these videos on your YouTube channel, then you can go through this kiss tracking training. And this kiss tracking will also be available inside traffic service. Okay, and then we have the third link. It says make 120 recurring commission. Let's click on this one. This is for people who know how to sell, or maybe you have some kind of experience online. So just go and enter your name and email first, and then click on email me my free ebook. Then go back to your email address, click on the verification email, and then you will be given your ebook. Go and read the ebook if you want to join the system and take action, because you have to go and sell this system to others, because this system can make you up to $120 from one person, from one sale. Okay, so if you can bring in, let's say 10 people into the system, those 10 people can make you up to $1,200 every single month. Okay, so this is a recurring system, and they will give you the proper training inside how to go and try free traffic or paid traffic. So you will have all the training inside too. But it is good if you have some experience already, and experience means if you already have a YouTube channel, or maybe you have an email list, or you have some kind of audience, and you can go and promote this product. So that will give you quick boost. Okay, so this is it. These were the links, and I would say go and check them out. If you want to make money without selling anything for the rest of your life, then you can go for traffic service YouTube method. YouTube is absolutely free, and it's entirely on you. The more you work, the more money you will make. Here is the example, as you can see. And email marketing, you have to go and start doing it, because you have to wait for the numbers to grow, because in 1 month you will be getting 3,000, and that means you have to spend 2, 3, 4, 5 months before you can get up to those 10 or 15,000 email addresses. Okay, so all these methods are working for me. They will work for you too if you know how to make them work. Okay, so again, in the end, go and check everything, and thank you so much for watching the video so far, and subscribe. I have told you, YouTube does not allow me to subscribe to my own channel, so you gotta do it. Subscribe, like, leave your colorful super comments here, and thank you for watching the video again. I guess I'll see you in my next video shortly. Till then, bye bye, tai tai. That means tada, bye bye.